Jay making movies.
Rock money enough. Ascoltala.
Yeah.
YouTube family, what's really going on with y'all, man? How y'all feeling today? Welcome back to yet another video, and welcome if this is your first time stopping through, man. It is your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy coming at y'all live from Air Max month, or even Air Max day, man. March 26th is the day, man. We have the Air Max 1 OG from 86, Big Bubble, I guess. Reinvented, recreated, I guess. I don't know what to say, man, but this is that OG colorway, that all over white with those red hits on it. I told y'all in my first look video of this that I did not own the OGs or any of the Air Max 1s in the white and red colorways. This is my first time owning them, and I do have the Big Bubble pair, as you can see. And that infamous name Big Bubble is because of that large air bubble you do get in the back. On the OG pair, it was much smaller, but you know, it's pretty much the same shoe other than small minor differences, but same shoe, man. A lot of y'all was telling me y'all are ready to see the white and blue pair. Your boy Jay needs those as well, man. So if they do come out with a Big Bubble version of the white and blue pair, your boy will be copping those as well, man. But before we dive into this video, man, thank y'all again for stopping through. We would need for y'all to stick around if this is your first time, second time, or third time, or whatever. You know what I'm saying? If y'all haven't hit that subscribe button yet, please do so, man. Hit that subscribe button. It is free, as well as the like button. It is free, man. Go ahead and smash the like button for your boy hitting y'all with this review on feed, and of course lace swap. You know that's how we got to do it, man. But go ahead, do that for your boy Jay. That's all I ask from y'all, and in return I'm gonna bang out this content for y'all and keep y'all up to date on this sneaker news / sneaker looks and all that good stuff. But besides all that, man, like I did say, it was Air Max month. It was a good month. A lot of Air Max released. I do not even want to go down the list of them because I'll be here all day. I will let y'all know though, the other Air Max that I did cop this month, it was only 2 pairs. Of course, the Big Bubbles, and I did cop another pair. Bang, man. Well, I didn't really cop it. I got blessed with it, man. Shout out to my fam over at Hibbit City Gear. They did send your boy a pair over for Air Max month. Bang, man. The Air Max 97 gold bullets, man, right here. This did retro release this month. You know, it is, you know, one half of, you know, that silver bullet gold bullet pack. So gold bullets they did release this month. Let me know, did y'all cop these? Did y'all pick them up? There's a lot of pairs still sitting around, man, so they are available. If you want them, you can probably get them at your local stores, man. So gold bullets, definitely a clean shoe. Like I did say, shout out to my fam over at Hibbit in City Gear Form, but that's not what we talking about today. Bang! Big Bubble. Big Bubbles, man. So Big Bubble Air Max OG 86s in the white and red colorway. As I did say, that Big Bubble right there on the back gives it its infamous name. These right here, cold shoe, definitely a nice looking shoe outside of a Jordan or anything else, man. This is just clean. I don't know, I should have doubled up on them. Man. Speaking of even just doubling up or copping them, let me know real quick down below in the comment section, did you go after them? Did you cop? They sold out. I knew it would happen, you know, because it's just a lot of hype behind this shoe right now. Because, you know, it's just, you know, once people get to talking about a shoe and OG and it isn't it, they gonna run for it, man. The hype builds up, and I think there was quite a bit of hype behind this shoe for it to be a 9 like Jordan or a 9 collab shoe, you know what I'm saying? So it was, you know, a decent amount of hype for it, man. But here they go real quick, y'all. We about to dive into the review. And hold on, before we do that, I do have to shed some light on this shoe behind me, man. This is another Air Max 1, and this is, hold on, bang, the Air Max 1 Paras, man. So this is a collab shoe with Nike Air Max and Para. If you guys know about them, you know about them. They do have a friends and family pair of this shoe. This is just a regular pair because I ain't rich like that, man. I can't spend that money on that friends and family pair, but they pretty much similar, you know, the same thing. But the reason why I do have this back here to show y'all, of course, we are talking about Air Max 1s, and with the Air Max 1s being said, this is my favorite Air Max 1, y'all. So this is my favorite Air Max 1 to ever release, man, and it's the Air Max 1 Paras dopeness. Let me know which is your favorite Air Max 1 to release, man. And now, with all that being said, y'all know why I got them back there. Let's go ahead and dive into the review, y'all. So taking a look at the box that it comes in, y'all, I did say in my first look, this box kind of reminds me of like a scary movie theme or something. You know, the way that they got the box is dope. It could have easily been a reimagined 86 Air Max 1 OG, you know, because, you know, Nike / Jordan brand, you know, they own them type of vibes. But anyways, man, you do got pretty much a black base box with, it looks like you got some scrapes of red hits going throughout it. Dopeness. You do have a Nike swoosh on the top, which is see-through, so you can see the inside of the box from the top. And when you look at the sides, you got a Nike Air as well as a nice little splash of detail with 4 see-through little circles, which does stand for those 4 air bubbles, which you guys put me on, you know what I'm saying, because I didn't know that prior to y'all telling me, so I appreciate y'all for letting your boy in on that. But dope box in my opinion, dope presentation. When you take a look at the size tag, it reads Nike Air Max 186 OG. The color blocking is white university red. We need that white university blue. We need that. But size 9, I recommend you going true to size on these Air Max. They fit pretty comfortable. I mean, you can't go up half size if you got a wide foot, but I think true to size you'll be good if you have a standard slim foot. And these did release in men's and women's sizing, so similar to the Air Jordan 2 OG Chicago's that released in December, we did get a women's version and we did get a men's version. So the men's version, of course, you got your men's sizing on the top, as you can see. Women's will be listed down below on the bottom, and for the women's pairs it will be the vice versa. You might have the women's pairs on the women's sizing on the top, and then you'll have the men's sizing on the bottom. But when you pop open the box, y'all, you will get a lot number. So you will see a lot number on the top. You will get a sticker right there on the bottom of that. And when you take a look inside of it on that paper, you do got like that Air Max paper with those diagonal type of lines going down like a sail, and then the paper is like a white, you know what I'm saying? So that is what you have right there. Is there anything else in the box that we need to talk about? No, and no. That is it for the box contents. Like I did say, dope presentation. I'm happy with these. Give us the same exact box with blue scrapes, bro. I think that'll be fire. So Jordan brand, let us get that white and blue pair inverted box with the blue hits instead of the red hits. But anyways, man, let's go ahead and dive into the review. Taking a look at the shoe, man, the bottom outsole, as you can see, regular Air Max 1 outsole. You do got a little splash of red right there at the top, black hits, white hits right there in the middle, and it does say Air, as you can see, black back. That is the outsole. Moving up to the uppers of the shoe, just a clean, classic, comfortable shoe. You do got a white midsole going all around, and right at the back of that, you got that big bubble with those 4 air holes, air pockets right there, and it is in a light sail colorway, as you can see. Moving up above that, man, you got a nice nubuck, man. Some nice nubuck materials right there on the upper, as you can see. And the quality control on this shoe, in my opinion, it's on point, man. I've seen quite a few pairs and they're pretty consistent as far as with the quality on them. I don't see any glue stains or all that. So this was manufactured pretty well in my opinion, but you do got nubuck hits right there on the red. When you move up to the uppers, you got like a cushion type of canvas type of material. I don't know if that's the correct name, but just if you feel me, you feel me, you know what I'm saying? So it's like a canvas look, but it has that soft, smushy type of material. I'm not a material expert. When you move up above that, you get this like gray hit. So right here along that whole upper, you got a gray hit that goes all throughout the upper. You got a red Nike swoosh, which is in that nice nubuck. And back of the shoe, you got your Nike Air in that OG type of Nike branding right there, man. Clean, man. You got some silk going around your interior sock liner area. And front of the shoe, as you can see, white laces is OG laced in them. There are no extra laces that are included with this shoe, so anything other than white, I probably threw that in there, of course. You know how your boy Jay do, man. But white laces are the only laces that these come with. On the tongue, it is a nice all white over tongue with your red Nike Air right there on the top. Take a look at the lace holders. You got a little splash of red right there on that side. So that is pretty much it for the outside of the shoe. Pretty much same thing on the inside as the outside, y'all. So you got some more of that gray too. I didn't mention that gray rim going around that lace holding area. But moving on to the inside of the shoe, you got some white fleece in here, which will get dirty, man. So keep your socks clean, keep your foot clean when you're wearing these, because that will get dirty kind of easy, man. And speaking of that sock liner, you got a size, man. So each size of the shoe will be listed right there on the inside. So it'll be on the inside right there. You'll have the size of the shoe listed. So that's a dope OG touch. You got a red sock liner in there with your Nike Air written in white. It does come with shoe paper, not a shoe tree, man. So shoe paper does come with the shoe. And back of the tongue, y'all, you do get a little splash of red. You cannot see it from the front of the shoe, but the whole inside is red, as you can see, except for the sides. But the whole inside, top and bottom is red, and these were manufactured from September through November of last year, man. So only a 2-month production on these, and this is a solid shoe in my opinion, man. One of the dopest colorways when it does come to the Air Max 1's dope OG colorway, as the name of the shoe, you know, resembles, of course, 86 OGs. And in my opinion, man, this is I think that this is a 10 out of 10, man. This is a W. This is a 10 out of 10 Air Max 1 colorway, in my opinion. So your boy got to stamp that, man. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts and opinions on these. Did you cop them? Did you double up? Did you take an L, man? Y'all let me know down below in the comment section. I'm curious to know, did y'all go after these, man? And that is it for this one. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts and opinions on them. And other than that, we gonna throw them on feet, and we gonna get up out of here, man. Thank y'all as always. Y'all stay blessed. Make sure you subscribe if you ain't already subscribed. And I'm gonna see y'all on the next one, man. Your boy Jay is out. Movies. Peace.
Rob it, Bronco, live big, condo, get it, pronto, hater, Jondo, big face, Hondo, Big J, Rondo, Big J, Lonzo, big, humongo, drip to a T, open for business, got drip for a fee, JTSG, fly like a fleet, stay with the heat, no need to speak, rob on the beat like Muhammad Ali, Jay with the 3, he gon' ball like Kyrie, clear skies, everything is I read, so don't bother, everything is on me, yeah, Jay Tarantino, the family hero. Let's keep it a C-note. Matter of fact, keep it a kilo. Ooh, woke up this morning in so many shoes. Talking so many, don't know which to choose. So many colorways, so many hues. Rob it, Bronco, live big, condo, get it, pronto, hater, Jondo, big face, Hondo, Big J, Rondo, Big J, Lonzo, big, humongo. Rob it, Bronco, live big, condo, get it, pronto, hater, Jondo, big face, Hondo, Big J, Rondo, Big J, Lonzo, big, humongo. Big J, humongo. Lonzo, big, humongo. Rob it, Bronco, live big, condo, get it, pronto, hater, Jondo, hater, Jondo, Big J, Lonzo, big, humongo, humongo, get it, pronto, hater, Jondo.